Another night, same cold screen. Finger hovers, what does it all mean? Thinking about the words I wanna say, but fear just keeps on getting in the way. Sunrise creeping, shadows long and thin. Another day, I wonder where you've been. My phone's a brick, a monument to doubt. Each missed call, what's it all about? I trace your name on the dusty glass, hoping that this feeling too shall pass. But every moment, every silent plea just brings the echo of what used to be. I've tried calling you, heard the empty dial tone, just the silent screaming, feeling so alone. Each unanswered ring, a whisper in the void. My heart keeps breaking, utterly destroyed. I've tried calling you, reaching out in vain, lost within this agonizing pain. Remember laughter, secrets that we shared. Now just a memory, a burden I've prepared. Prepare for silence, prepare for the fall. Prepare for nothing, nothing at all. The city sleeps, but my mind's a busy street, playing bad moments, bittersweet. Just one more chance, one word to make it clear. Erase the doubt, erase the chilling fear. I've tried calling you, heard the empty dial tone, just the silent screaming, feeling so alone. Each unanswered ring, a whisper in the void. My heart keeps breaking, utterly destroyed. I've tried calling you, reaching out in vain, lost within this agonizing pain. Maybe I'm just dreaming, maybe it's a phase, lost inside these lonely, endless days. But every fiber, every single part of me just longs for what we used to be. One sound, one breath, one single sign that you're still out there, that you're still mine. I've tried calling